Hello friends, today I'll discuss very important things, GHG calculation, how to calculate the greenhouse gas calculation. Short explanation, it is the environment pollution, how to measure the environment pollution. So today I'll discuss the basic formula, GHG emission, kg carbon dioxide is equal to activity into emission factor, the into GWP, that means global warming potential. So activity data, the fuel use, the electricity consumed, the distance travel, etc. And emission, the emission factor is the CO2 emitted per unit of activity. GWP, the global warming potential, it is the CO2 equal to 1. So number one, the scope of work, the direct emission. Direct emission, so number one, the fuel combustion of diesel, formula CO2 equal to diesel use the L into 2.68 kg CO2. So example, in a diesel use 100 liter calculation, if you use the 100 liter calculation, then your carbon dioxide will be produced 268 kg. Next, the DG emission, DG set emission, if you are using the DG that consumes the 50 liter diesel, so 50 into 2.68 equal to 134 kg CO2. Next, the refrigerant leakage formula, CO2 refrigerant leakage into GWP, that means global warming potential. So global warming potential, example R134 lit equal to 5 kg. So GWP equal to 1430. Calculation 5 into 1430, that means 7150 kg CO2 produced. Next, the scope 2, it is the purchase electricity, it is the indirect pollution. Indirect emission is the formula CO2 electricity kWh into grid emission factor. Example, if you are consume the electricity 1000 kilowatt per hour, so grid EF the 0.82 kg CO2 per kWh. So calculation 1000 into 0.82 is equal to 820 kg CO2. So purchase electricity costs the emission at the power plant, but is accounted by the electricity user. Scope 3, other indirect emission, the employee commuting, the formula CO2 equal to distance into emission factor. It is example, the distance 500 kilometer, if you using the any vehicles, then EF factor is the 0.12 kg CO2 per kilometer. So calculation will be 500 into 0.12, so 60 kg CO2. So other example, scope 3, business travels, waste disposal, purchased goods and service, raw materials, packaging, office supplies, etc. So total GHG emission CO2, so formula total GHG is equal to scope 1 plus scope 2 plus scope 3. Scope 1 268 kg CO2 plus scope 2, it is the 820 kg CO2 plus scope 3 60 kg CO2. So total is 1148 kg CO2.